Just a quick video of my wipers. When it comes to the BRZ FRS GT86, I'm having some problems with the wipers. Doesn't take the bottom part of the window, especially in high speeds. So the blades will lift, and those kind of aero blades, it doesn't exist anymore. So I'm just going to show you what I think is going to be a lot better. So this is the good ones aftermarket, and this is the Subaru original ones. So you see they are strengthened all the way with plastic, I guess, and flexible in the ends, but still we have this reinforcement part. So I'm guessing this is going to be a lot better and solve the issue with the wipers not taking the whole window when it's raining. So now I'm at Sonax to have used put protection on the window, and I have a new window and new blades. And oh yeah, when you are changing the blades, the longer one is on the driver's side, I believe it's 22 inches, and the shorter one is on the passenger side, 20 inches. Just in case you forget that. Just wanted to show you again. You see how flexible they are? And these are good ones. I don't know if they're Bosch or something, but maybe a bit too flexible, which they are supposed to be to follow the window, of course. But as said, in high speeds, they lift in the bottom, so they don't take the most important part, which is just in front of the driver. So these from Subaru themselves, you can probably find them at Toyota as well, should be a lot better. I was looking for the ones with aero blades. That was like a styling thing 20 years ago. I couldn't find any, so I think these will be the best. And this whole thing with stickers, I did a rally I think a couple of weeks ago, and every event you want to put stickers on your car, and I don't like that at all, because I find it difficult to put on and just a pain in the to remove. And now I'm at Sonax. They have removed the stickers, but there are still glue residue, and they're doing their best to remove that, but they're telling me that it needs to be polished, and since I have ceramic sealing on it, that will be gone when they polish, so I have to redo that also. So I got the car from Sonax like 3 weeks ago, maybe a month ago, used with new ceramic sealing, etc, etc. So now I have to redo that, so new polish and new ceramic sealing, just because of those stickers. So if you're not going to have your stickers on your car for like forever, don't put them on. I really hate this. You can see. Well, I'm happy that I have Sonax